How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to fix if your Authenticator app is not working. The first thing you're going to have to do is make sure you have a stable internet connection. So once you make sure that you have a stable connection, you can try to open up the app and see if it works. But if it doesn't work, then you're going to have to long press on the app, then go to its app info. From here, make sure that the permissions are allowed. So make sure all of these permissions are allowed, especially the notification permission. And once you've allowed the notification permissions, you can just scroll down and find the battery uses. Make sure it's on unrestricted so that it does not restrict any of its background activities. But if there is something going on in the background and you want to stop it, just try to force stop the app once and then try to request the code again. It might help you get the app working. Finally, go to storage. And if you have any clear cache option, just clear the cache. And then you can also try to clear data and log in back again. So these are the things that you can do to fix if your Microsoft Authenticator app is not working. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.